I have a background of masters in biotech and wanted to something pursue in medical field, and this was my opportunity. It is good, like professors, oh my god, whatever professors we were having, they were all friendly, supportive. Like whenever we needed, they were always there, always there. Oh, they are very friendly. Oh my god, Dilal, she is lovely, amazing person. If there is something we need for the life thing also, she will always explain what is the thing, how you do it, this is not the way, this is wrong. She is very approachable, supportive, and oh my god, knowledgeable instructor which we got. And even Irina, she is truly supportive. She sees the persons and she knows like what we are here to study. She don't want us to like go out in the field messing around with the people's life. So she is always there, and whenever is concerned about the patient care, she will stand beside us and she will teach us. Even though we are wrong, she will scold, but after that she will teach us silently also, like no, practice, you will do it.